dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I did this cool purple sparkly look using the new Morphe 39S palette. I don't really know how new it is, but I just did get it and I think it's really pretty. It's got a lot of different gemstone colors in it that are purples and pinks and champagne. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hey dolls, so we're going to go ahead and prime our lids with some Master Prime. You all know this is my favorite. And then this is the palette that I'm using today. This is the Morphe 39S palette. It's really pretty and I love all the different jewel tones. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with Posh Boss and get a base down and just blend this out with a big fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in just to deepen up the crease a little bit more with Purple Majesty and really blend these out. I'm going to take just a little bit of Grape Minds and blend this into the outer corner and into the crease. I'm just going to kind of keep blending until I'm happy, and just go back in with a little bit more of that Grape Minds to darken it up in the outer V, just to give the eye some dimension. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with Peri-twinkle, which is this light purple color. It's really pretty, and I'm just applying that to the center lid and into the inner corner. Just went and blended everything out a little bit more and took a little bit of Make It Rain, which is a darker purple, and applied this in the outer corner again just to give the crease a little bit more dimension. And then I took that Peri-twinkle on my finger since it wasn't showing up quite as glittery as I wanted, and used my finger to apply it. That way it would shine a little bit more. And again, I'm just going back in and blending everything out and touching up that outer crease and outer corner. Then I'm taking just a little bit of Making Bank and going underneath the lower lash line just to blend everything out and pull the look together. I really think this is a really pretty palette. I definitely love that it's got a lot of purples and pinks in it. And then I just went in with a little bit more of that Peri-twinkle lightly on a brush to highlight. And then I went in to line the waterline with a little bit of the Hard Candy Casual Liner. Then I flipped it around and used the marker end to just make a really light wing in the corner. And then I went ahead and topped my lashes off with a coat of mascara from the Maybelline Mega Plush. And that's all for this look, guys. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye!